I'm supporting 18 people. My wife's family, the elders, have died. So I've taken the responsibility of the family. They are depending on me. Our main gardening is cabbages, tomatoes, and this cane paper.
We buy a lot of our fruits and vegetables from smallholder farmers, and we use that to make jams, sauces, achars, chutneys. Eswatini Kitchen has proven to be a very good source of business for these smallholder farmers who unfortunately cannot find an alternative market for their produce.
As one goes through the factory, you will see that most of the women that are working here are single parents, and they have to basically fend for themselves. Eswatini has created a lot more employment and enable these women to provide a little better for their families.
I've been working for Eswatini 21 years. My partner was sick. The doctor found that he got TB and HIV positive. I tried to help him go to the hospital, getting injection each and every day. Oh, and it fails because God took him. That's why I have 7 children now with no one to help. If I want to work here, I think the situation will be very bad. The children, they won't go to school, they won't get clothing, they won't get food. I don't think I will have such a home like now.
Eswatini is one of the 25 agro-processors who are benefiting from the Marketing Investment Fund, which is a 1 million euros fund that was set up with the support from the European Union with technical assistance by FAO. And the Marketing Investment Fund is part of a broader Swaziland agricultural development program, which is involved in many other activities, notably in support of production. We are actually already helping more than 20,000 farmers in Swaziland to move from subsistence agriculture to a more sustainable, high-income generating and market-led agriculture.
Swaziland is a food insecure country where some 29% of the population cannot meet daily food requirements, and where 70% of the population lives in rural area. In addition, HIV and highest prevalence rate in the world, which also has a strong impact on the rural areas and agriculture because of the impact that it has on the family level. So I think this program has a strong potential on the ground.
If you can support Swaziland Kitchen, I know that Swaziland Kitchen will support me and my family will be okay.